Dudes!
Welcome to Blueberry Overnight Oats with delicious cracked chocolate. It is so tasty.
Breakfast can often be boring, it can be uneventful, it can be just gruel. This is simple, easy to make, makes a great dessert, great breakfast, and wonderful thing that you can take on the go. So we're blending our oats, which is going to give a really creamy texture. So into that, we're going with 200 grams of oats. In on top of that, nice pinch of salt.
Okay, help
2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Why would I use chia seeds, Dave?
They're going to help emulsify and bind things together. They're also going to have some short chain ALA omega-3s as well.
Ooh, that's a fancy word. In on top of that, so we want to make this blueberry, and we're using frozen blueberries because often frozen blueberries are a wilder variety and they just have better color. So we have 225 grams of frozen
when you
blueberries.
use fresh ones, you don't get that same bright purple color, whereas you use blended, it bleeds and you get that vibrant purple color.
And just remember, I got it just in the next time, keep a few blueberries afterwards just so you can put in the top, just for decoration. And on top of that, we're going to put a little bit of vanilla extract, that much, about half a teaspoon, and we need some milk. So we've 325 ml of milk of choice. We're using oat milk, and then we've 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, whichever you prefer. Like you could use
agave
rice
syrup, date syrup, or whatnot, whatever you have, even golden syrup. Woo!
Such a beautiful color, blend until smooth and creamy and delicious. I love the color of this. So this is really high in antioxidants. What's an antioxidant good for, Dave?
Antioxidant stops free radical damage in your body. Think of it like antioxidation, oxidation being rust. It stops you rusting.
Okay, so we've about 500 ml of our blueberry blended oats. So we're going to fill it. Oh, really is such a beautiful color. So fill it about 3/4 full. And this is just to show you how you could take it on the go. Next on top, we're going to go weave coconut yogurt. So just carefully spoon that in the top. And then final step, just to show you how easy this is, and just to add a bit of decadence. Obviously, you don't have to do this, but I think this makes it special.
Great way of leveling it up.
So we've just taken about 50 grams of chocolate, even less, and just put a little bit of coconut oil. That just meant it's easier to crack. And we're just going to carefully spoon it over the top. We want this to set and to crack.
So it's just a melted dark chocolate.
Yeah, that's it. And then just to finish it off, a few blueberries on top. So we froze that literally for 5 minutes just so the chocolate's set. And this is always my favorite bit. One, look, it could nearly fit in your bag. Okay, I'm a little bit afraid, but there you are. It seals it in. Take your spoon. This is always nice. If you've ever watched those baking shows where you just see them kind of go, you can do that. You ready?
Let's see, yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh, there we go.
To puncture it.
Yeah, but it's such a lovely way to eat it. There's a bit of...
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's like find the chocolate. And just to show you here. Oh, it's nice when you get the chunk of chocolate. Oh, yes. I got it. Look at that.
Went
Jackpot.
fishing. Jeez, that's so tasty.
I know.
Jeez, we do these as desserts. They're so nice.
It's so lovely, so simple, packed full of plant diversity, super tasty. There's just a tiny layer of chocolate on the top. If you do make it, please tag us on social media, just the Happy Pear.
Yum.
If you do want to learn more about what we do, check out the Happy Pear, and we do have an app. We'll put a link down for you to check it out.
It's all about supporting people to eat more veg. The revolution starts on your plate, folks. We've got more than 1,000 recipes. It's $3.99 a month. I'll put a link down below. Cheers.
Thanks a mil. Bye.